In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Huntington Mobile customer support via phone, chat, and email. Navigating customer support options can sometimes feel like a daunting task, but by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to connect with the right resources at Huntington. To get started, you'll want to open your web browser and simply go to do.huntington.com. This is the official site for Huntington, and all the customer service options available will be found here. Once you're on their homepage, take a look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a menu icon there. Click on it and this will open up a drop-down menu where you can find more detailed options. From the drop-down menu, go ahead and scroll down until you locate Customer Service. Clicking on this will be your next step. It's specifically designed to guide you to all sorts of information and support options that Huntington has on offer. Once you've clicked on Customer Service, you'll find yourself directed to another page filled with various contact options. On this new Contact Us page, Huntington provides a comprehensive list of ways to reach out for support. You'll see categories like general customer service, business banking, credit cards, insurance, and more. This assortment of choices ensures that no matter what your specific need or query might be, there's a dedicated contact option to address it. As you scroll through the page, notice how the options are organized to cover nearly every aspect of their services. To fully explore all your options, make sure to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. This will ensure you don't miss any important contact information or new features that may have been added since your last visit. And there you have it. From navigating to the homepage to diving into the many specialized customer support options, you are now equipped to contact Huntington Mobile customer support in the way that is most convenient for you. Whether you prefer to give them a call, start up a chat session, or send an email, the process is straightforward and tailored to fit your needs. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to reach out to Huntington Mobile customer support. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful and empowering. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to check out more resources or leave your comments below. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and have a great day.